Every second, millions of tiny molecular pumps work in simple job. It powers nerve impulses, muscle contraction, and even helps regulate blood pressure. The sodium-potassium pump is a MEM protein found in almost every cell. It uses energy from ATP to move sodium, and this process is called primary active transport. Step 1. 3 sodium ions inside the cell attached to the pump.
Step 2. 1 ATP molecule is broken down. The released energy changes the shape of the pump. Step 3. The pump releases all 3 sodium ions outside the cell.
Step 4. 2 potassium ions from outside the cell attach to the pump.
Step 5. The pump returns to its original shape and releases the potassium ions inside the cell. The cycle repeats continuously. Remember this simple rule. 1 ATP moves 3 sodium ions out and 2 potassium ions in.
The sodium and potassium gradients allow nerve impulses to travel rapidly and muscles to contract. Without the pump, electrical signaling would stop. Because more positive ions leave than enter, the inside of the cell becomes slightly negative. This creates the resting membrane potential, the electrical battery of every nerve and muscle cell. The sodium gradient created by the pump stores energy. Cells use this energy to absorb glucose, amino acids, and many other nutrients through secondary active transport. The pump also controls cell size. By removing sodium, it prevents excess water from entering the cell and protects it from swelling and bursting. Because water follows sodium, the pump helps regulate body fluid balance and contributes to normal blood pressure. Digoxin works by partially blocking the sodium-potassium pump. This increases calcium inside heart muscle cells, allowing the heart to contract more forcefully, is used in heart failure and
NCLEX rule. 1 ATP, 3 sodium out, 2 potassium in. This pump maintains membrane potential and cell volume. It supports nerve impulses and powers active transport.